Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So for the Tomarket app, we are going to be depositing a amount of ton into this account. So for the people that are actually having it issue to actually get this done, so I'm going to make it in this particular video, and also I'm going to teach you how you can currently connect, right? So remember to perform all your tasks and claim your coin. So let's see what this particular project can actually offer us, right? So what the first thing you're going to be doing is to connect your Bitget wallet, because it is only Bitget that is allowed in this particular operation. So if you come to this, you're going to see Bitget, right? So it's going to directly to your Play Store once you go right there. So this is the one you are going to be downloading, this particular one, this Bitget wallet, crypto and Bitcoin, because they have two. They have this particular one too that said Bitget Bitcoin. This one is for trading. So you are not downloading this particular one. You are currently downloading this particular one that says wallet, and it's quite easy to install. So once you just open it, it is quite easy to install. I've currently downloaded mine now. So this is how it looks in the interface, right? All right, so let's go back. So if you come back to your Townkeeper, your Tomarket, you are going to see we have prepare your wallet for a surprise. Ensure you have at least $1 in assets, and you might get a surprise after seconds. Okay, so after seconds you can get a surprise, kind of. So let's make our deposits right now. So forwardly, I've already created the account, and if you want to like log in, once you go, you are going to click on it, and for you to load, you are going to be using your ton. So just go to your ton and go to receive. You are going to see this particular contract address, kind of. So you just click on it and input that into your wallet. All right, so you now go back, then let's make the transaction. So I'm going to send. So I'm just copy this. Then I'm going to be using my Townkeeper to make this particular video. It is actually the same process if you use your Townkeeper, if you use your Bybit, if you use your Binance, kind of. All you need to just to copy the contract address, right? So once you copy the contract address, you can see on my Townkeeper I'm currently having about 1 ton, which is about $6, right? And they said we need just $1 in our account. So I'm going to click on this. Then I'm going to click on send. So as I click on send, paste the contract address I copied. Then I'm going to my comment, okay, tomato, just to have a record, to markets, just to have a record of what I actually used the money for. And I'm going to click on confirm. So the amount of ton I'm going to be sending, all right, so if I send 0.3 ton, that's about $1. So but I want to make it $2, 0.4, 0.4. All right, so 0.4, that is about $2, right? So they said $1, but at least $2. So I'm going to input this, and that is, I'm going to be charged for this. So I'm going to click on send and confirm. So verify that. Then I currently sent to the account, so it's sent already. It's currently loading. All we need to do is to refresh. So it's currently loading. I'm going to wait for it to like refresh, and let's see. So you come back to your account, right? So it should currently load. You can see it automatically. It has currently loaded about 0.4 worth of ton is actually on this account. So I think with this we are actually safe for the airdrop and ready to claim, right? So we have about $2. So if you read out the instruction, this is what it said. So if you have any issue, just go straight to the comment section and drop a comment. I'm going to be sending the link to my Telegram at the description also, and also at the comment section, so you can reach me down there. So thank you for watching.